How to connect PS Portal not connecting the PS5. First, enable Remote Play on your PS5. On your PS5, go to Settings, then go to System and Remote Play, and make sure you turn Enable Remote Play on. Second, allow your PS5 to wake from rest mode. Go to the Settings, System, Power Saving, Features available in rest mode, and then turn on Stay connected to the internet, and enable turning on PS5 from network. Third, restart and connect the PS Portal. Restart your PS Portal, restart your PS5, then reconnect the portal to your Wi-Fi, and then try connecting again. Fourth, use a better network. For the best connection, connecting your PS5 with an Ethernet cable is recommended. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi for the portal, stay close to your router. A connection of 15 megabytes per second or faster is recommended. Step 5. Update both devices. Install the latest software on the PS5 and the PlayStation Portal, and then restart both devices and try connecting again. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.